Hello, my name is Thomas Ricks, and this is my presentation on clinical psychology. Okay, future job descriptions and duties. Consultation is meeting with other professionals inside psychology and outside of psychology. You'll need their help for many different subjects involving your patients and your research. Counseling and research. Being a clinical psychologist, you are a very middle of the road split between two worlds. With counseling, it's all about working with patients to help better themselves. With research, it's all about studying human behaviors and doing studies and experiments, ethically of course, to progress psychology further. Writing and publishing has more to do with research. Publish or perish is a term used for many academics, mostly in teaching positions, but it fits here as well. You'll need to present new work to advance yourself in this career and have it be in a understandable, ethical, and usable format. Education and dedication. You'll need to complete your undergraduate in psychology, preferably have a minor in a scientific field or statistics. You're looking at another 4 to 7 years of a graduate program. You'll want to keep high grades, of course. Preferably a 3.5 GPA or higher, although some universities accept a 3-point GPA. Internships. To show that you have experience and that you can work in higher class studies and fields, you'll want to participate in internships to show that you have experience and that you can be trusted to do higher level work. Lastly, even after you've completed all of your work, you'll still need to participate in a residency, much like any medical doctor would do. These can last between 1 to 2 years, and it's really the final testing ground to see if you are competent enough to do your job. Sorry about that little mishap. Next is my 4-year plan. I plan to finish my generals within this semester and the next. I'll start with my required courses after that for my major and work on a minor as well. This is the time that it's really important for almost any profession to get close to those who can give you letters of recommendation. It's not about what you know, it's all about who you know. Although you want someone who knows their stuff to be teaching clinical psychology. Or working with clinical psychology, not teaching. Apologies. You want to complete internships, like I said in the last slide. It's vital to gain experience now. And lastly, I'll want to save up money for graduate school and between summers and graduate with my bachelor's in 4 years. This is me a regular Adonis in all of his glory. Here's my why for becoming a clinical psychologist. I find the field of psychology to be incredibly intriguing. There's so much we don't know about the human brain, and it's unlike other scientists or sciences where you can directly observe. It takes creativity and persistence to get the information that you want, while also needing to be ethical at the same time. My talents line up with psychology relatively well. I'm good with people. I love working in groups. And with a clinical psychology, you have much more freedom, which is also important to me. But at the end of the day, you want to be paid well. Many other psychology paths don't pay the income that I'm looking for to be able to raise a family. Lastly, I just like people, and it hurts when I see others hurt. I want to help people. It's a bit silly, but it's what I want to do. Okay. Comparison with my goals to that of Chapter 13. Brief summary of Chapter 13 is covering all the different paths you can follow with psychology and what leads to your ability to succeed in a psychology profession. What traits and mindsets will help you forward. I mirrored many of the things that they want in a psychology position. Such are my main traits when we were doing the tests to see our personality types and best working conditions in the previous weeks were in this order: social, investigative, and artistic. I could make an argument for why all of these would be useful. It is vital to be social in a psychology role. Talking to people and learning what people are thinking is what you do. Artistic can help you make connections with people and help you think outside of the box. And investigative. I want to know how things work, and I will ponder and fiddle with an idea like something caught in my teeth until I finally figure it out. It will just niggle at me. So that persistence will help me. Lastly, I wanted to discuss the main goal that a lot of psychology majors want to have is to help people. And that's good, but it's vague. With this chapter and with my studies, I think I can better focus myself on helping people and learn what it takes. And that's the end. These are my sources, and I hope whoever is watching this is having a wonderful day.